Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Dema H. Today we are going to learn about immunity. What is immunity and basically the functions of immunity. As introductory part of it, we know that our body cannot work throughout without enemies. We have enemies surrounding us. So the body must struggle to recruit all the necessary armies, arsenals, necessary machineries to fight any invading enemy. As an enemy, we may not have a physical enemy that can be clearly seen, that is maybe let me say like a rebel or what, but the enemy I'm talking about are things that may interfere with our normal body functions. These are called pathogens. Yeah, it may not be necessary. Pathogens, we also have allergens, maybe things that can make our body not to function very well, but they are not causing infections. Therefore, as a definition, we shall know that immunity is the body's ability to fight against an invading pathogen or a foreign particle. Yeah, the body has got means to fight the conditions that we are going through. We divide it into two major aspects. We talk about the adaptive immunity, which is specific to the invading pathogen or particle or substance that may enter into the body. So if the body has got information about that before, or memory, prior information, prior exposure to the particular pathogen, it will result into producing adaptive immunity. The other one is called innate. It is the natural or inborn process of defending the body. It has got series of areas to cover. We have areas such as the external or physical barriers. We have chemical secretions of the body, like the saliva, the tear, the mucus secretions, all those secretions. We have secretions in the gastric, like hydrochloric acid, the GIT. All those secretions, they participate in defending the body against an invading organisms. We also have standby cells, the white blood cells, groups of leukocytes, series of leukocytes, macrophages. They are ready to fight against any invading organism that may go into our body and stop further infection. There are other protein structures which are in our body, that series of proteins which may form a complement system, where the body will also use it to do what we call opsonization and lysine of the microorganisms, which is through process of phagocytosis, which is followed by the opsoning. So we shall be moving together with this process of defending the body against an invading microorganism. Therefore, the body's physical barrier in the innate immunity, we talk about the skin. How does the skin do its work? The skin is made up of a special kind of cells which are arranged in such a way that the organisms gets very, very difficult to penetrate into the internal structures. So the skin, we talk of keratinized squamous cells, meaning they are completely hard or tough cells which are outside there, which protects the inner structures or inner organs of the body. The skin itself is also good at secreting the arachidonic acids, maybe let me say talk of some lipid structures which are secreted with the sweat glands and so on, with some protein structures which can easily kill or destroy any invading microorganisms. Within the skills, we have a standby macrophage system that is ready there waiting for any invading microorganisms to be attacked. So therefore the skin plays a very important role in protecting your body against an invading disease. So the mucus lining, they have got the epithelial surfaces are sometimes having the cilia, which is used to propel or pulsate the microorganisms off the track. Like if you take respiratory tract system, we see that organisms can be repelled away from the body. Therefore, your body will be automatically protected. We have series of secretions that are within the GIT, hydrochloric acid. This hydrochloric acid destroys the membranes of microorganisms, therefore causing lysis of the organism, and the organism dies. So innate immunity is basically a rudimentary system of protecting the body against any invading microorganism. However, we have series of chemicals that are in the blood that are ready to fight any invading microorganisms. A complement system is where we have series of proteins that are standby, which are activated either by the presence of microorganism or pathogen, which is a pathogen dependent or antigen dependent structure through classical pathway, or it may go through the lectin pathway or the Manan binding lectin pathway in conjunction will also participate in the process of complement system. It's very good to know how your body works, and we still have more to talk about immunity. This is here the introductory part of it. So pick one of this and then communicate. If you have any questions and query, just go on to the site and you will get to know everything. Thank you. Nice time.